Hello amigos, how are you doing? I'm doing great. So today, as you can see, I'm going to make these cool cell phone cases from Call of Duty and Free Fire. Oh yeah, right now I'm wearing my headphones and watching to your ring, you get even sexier results. Oh yeah. But now let's get to work. The first thing I'm going to do is fixing the paper on the table so it doesn't move. Oh yeah! Now I have to grab the phone case I want to customize so I can get the right size on the paper. Okay, now I have to outline my phone case on this paper using my magical pencil. Oh yeah, it worked. Now it's time to draw the card. Oh yeah, we are 2 hours in guys and I already finished the sketch. And now let's ink it with the fine liner. Oh yeah, press F in the comments for the fine liner amigos. Oh wow, it's amazing how the fine liner works here. You can see all the lines clearly now. Oh wow, maybe for this part I'll need some more energy, so let's drink some paint water guys. Aish, that's my favorite flavor. And now let's get to work.
Get it understood. Keep making bangers for the greater good. Benjari can never causing all the static. Might be problematic in your neighborhood. Never quit until the back is secure. Taking chances you can never be sure. Might be a bit crazy, my mind is obscure, but I wouldn't change.
Right now amigos, we are almost 7 hours in and I'm still feeling so fresh.
All of this fakeness that I have endured gave me this urge to leave all of a murk. My vision is clear but my image is blurred. Started from nothing, I came from the dirt. Know that I'm going but where I'm not sure. But remember the name when I'm leaving this earth. Move loosely, do whatever whenever it suits me. Don't push me, counter reflect, I can back.
Oh yeah, right now I'm done inking and I really love how it turned out. And as you may already know, now it's time to color it. So I grabbed my color pencil and started to listen to some beautiful music so I can color like a pro, yeah! First, let's start by coloring the face. Right now the face is done, so let's go on with the rest. I'm feeling like a pro, so let me play Call of Duty Mobile on my phone. Oh yeah! Oh damn. Okay, let's get back to the work. Oh yeah, coloring is almost done and I really love how it's coming out. Now it's time to finish it with the fine liner. Oh yes! Okay, character is done. Now I have to add the background. So sexy, guys. Wow, it's finally done and it's amazing. Okay amigos, now it's time to draw this disgusting Free Fire character. Okay, 17 hours later and now it's time to color it. And as you know, always start by coloring the face, amigos. Maybe I need some more paint water to draw a bit faster, you know? Oh yeah! Oh wait, let's try skipping it. It worked. Oh, right now it didn't work, but okay, let's get back to work. Okay, let's try the big part. Wow, it worked and it's amazing. Wow, now you can see both the pictures are looking really amazing. Oh yeah amigos, now I finished both the character and I really love how it turned out. You can see right now in the phones that they look really amazing. Now enjoy the reveal and see you in the next video amigos.